Yetsi Ramling Ghat Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which state? Answer is Maharashtra. INS Kadmat recently participated in which country's 50th Independence Day celebrations? Answer is Papua New Guinea. Ratel hydroelectric project, which was recently seen in news due to landslide, is located in which state union territory? Answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Where was the 18th International Earth Science Olympiad IESO 2025 held? Answer is China. The Himalayan brown bear is found mainly in which Indian states? Answer is Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, and Uttarakhand. What is the theme of Combined Commanders Conference Triple C 2025? Answer: Year of Reforms Transforming for the Future. Hilsa fish that was recently seen in news is the national fish of which country? Answer is Bangladesh. The United Kingdom India Infrastructure Financing Bridge. The United Kingdom India Infrastructure Financing Bridge UKIIFB is a joint initiative of the City of London and which Indian institute? Answer is Niti Aayog. The giant African snail Lysachatina fulica, one of the world's worst invasive species, has infested which Indian city? Answer is Chennai. Which state has become the fifth state and union territory to achieve full functional literacy? Answer is Himachal Pradesh. Which city topped the list of million plus population cities in Swachh Vayu Sarvekshan 2025? Answer is Indore. Iskander K cruise missile is developed by which country? Answer is Russia. Which organization launched SPRI 2025 and Amnesty Scheme 2025 to strengthen the social media security and ease compliance? Answer is Employees State Insurance Corporation ECIC. Sorry, ESIC. Pala's cat that was recently spotted in Arunachal Pradesh is mainly found in which region? Answer is Central Asia. Innovations for Defense Excellence IDEX is the flagship initiative of which ministry? Answer is Ministry of Defense. Bonda tribe is mainly found in which state? Answer is Odisha. Hellfire missile was developed by which country? Answer is United States. Reunion Island that was recently seen in news is a territory of which country? Answer is France. What is the name of world's first digital tribal university launched in New Delhi? Answer is Adi Sanskriti. Melioidosis, the disease responsible for the public health emergency in Turakapelam village of Andhra Pradesh, is caused by which pathogen? Answer is bacteria. Which Indian Research Institute developed a multifunctional wound healing pad using the red EV plant, which is also known as Stroblanthis alternata? Answer is Jawaharlal Nehru Tropical Botanic Garden and Research Institute, Thiruvananthapuram. All India Depth and Investment Survey AIDIS is conducted by which organization? Answer is National Statistical Office NSO. A new species of band toad gecko named Chirotodactylus vana, vanarashaka has been discovered in which northeastern state? Answer is Assam. The Fast Track Immigration Trusted Traveler Program FTITTP was first launched by which airport? Answer is Indira Gandhi International Airport. Recently, which area in Bengaluru was declared as a biodiversity heritage site? Answer is Cantonment Railway Colony. Deepeshwar Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which state? Answer is Maharashtra. What kind of disease is sarcoidosis that was recently in news? Answer is autoimmune inflammatory disease. A rare scarlet dragonfly was recently spotted in which part of India? Answer is Munnar, Kerala. What is the name of the portal launched at Gyan Bharatam International Conference to digitize and preserve India's manuscript heritage? Answer is Gyan Bharatam portal. Which Indian city is the host of 5th Coastal Guard Global Summit CGGS 2027? Answer is Chennai.